Did you know you can actually make serious money on YouTube without having to make videos of your own? I'm going to show you 6 simple steps to follow so you can start making money on YouTube without making videos of your own. Watch this video until the end and you will learn how you can easily make $500 every day if you do what I'm going to show you. Make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications because I'm going to start doing a shout out to a random subscriber in all my future videos. So be sure to subscribe and maybe I'll shout out your channel in the next video. So here's a quick question. Have you ever seen a YouTube video where the person did not show their face? I'm sure that you probably have. These kinds of channels can actually make a huge amount of money if you do it the way that I'm going to show you in this video. So here's how these channels do it. They download other people's videos straight off of YouTube, re-upload them to their own channels, and make money from the ads that they run on the videos. And the best part is this is totally legal and this will not get you in trouble with YouTube because of something called fair use. Don't believe me? Check out this channel. They just make simple top 10 list videos and they've got over 15 billion views on their channel. And check this out. They are making between $14,000 to $235,000 every month just by downloading other people's videos, putting them together, and talking on top of them. They're making up to $4 million every year without actually creating any of their own content. I mean, isn't that insane? And there's tons of other channels doing just the same thing. Now, don't you want in on this too? Well, keep watching because I'm going to show you how to do it. I'm going to go over all the steps that you need to take to start your own cash cow YouTube channel. So here is the gist of it. You go to YouTube, download some videos, put them together and talk on top of them, re-upload to your channel, monetize them, and make money from them. Okay, let's get into this thing. I'm going to show you exactly how to do this. Step 1, choose a niche. Now, there's a whole video that could be made just about this topic, but if you want to cut to the chase, here are the best niches that you should start out with. Top 10 channels, tech channels, luxury, or anything that has to do with health, wealth, or happiness. All of these niches will do very well. Step 2, create your channel. You probably already have a YouTube account since you're watching this video. So just click on settings, then click on add channel to create a new channel. Check the description for a direct link to create a new channel if you're having trouble finding it. Be sure to put a logo and some cool channel art on your new channel. That way it looks more official and you can start building a brand. Step 3, getting content. Now here are 2 places that you can go to get content for your new channel. The first place you can go is directly on YouTube. Just search for your niche on YouTube, then sort it by the most popular, and then sort it again by in the past month. See what kind of videos other people are making, and then remake these with your own voiceover. Put your own spin on it. For example, let's say we want to do a video about the top 10 most expensive things. Let's type in most expensive, sort it by view count, and then sort it again by videos uploaded in the past month. Look at this. This is a perfect example. Most expensive fails. Almost 3 million views just in the past month. Now you could easily make your own list of top 10 most expensive fails. Just go download even the same videos that this person did and put it together and then upload it to your channel. You could even use parts directly from this exact video if you make it transformative and fair use. Now keep watching because I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. The second place that you can go is free stock websites. Now lots of giant YouTube channels such as Brainy Dose get millions of views every month and they make all of their videos using free stock footage and then just put their own voiceover on top of it. One of the best places that you can get free stock footage is pixabay.com, but there are many other places as well. Step 4, optimize your videos. Now to get views, you are going to need to optimize your videos. The main things you want to look at here are optimizing your video title, your description, your thumbnail, your tags, and subtitles. Now, the fastest and easiest way to do this is to use VidIQ, and there is a link for that in the description below. Now, when it comes to your video title, a good rule is to make sure you use a title that people would actually go searching for on YouTube. As for optimizing the description, make sure that you write at least a paragraph or two and use the right tags and keywords that people are actually searching for on YouTube. This will help your video show up more in search results and also improve your chances of YouTube suggesting your video. Again, I highly recommend that you use VidIQ to help you with this because it will save you a lot of time and show you keywords that have low competition that you might not thought of, and these will help you get even more views. Check the description for a link to VidIQ if you have not checked it out yet. I guarantee that you will thank me later. Step 5, getting monetized. Now, when you get monetized, YouTube will put ads on your videos and share the money with you. So how do you get monetized? You have to have two things. You need 1,000 subscribers, and people need to have watched 4,000 hours of your videos in the past year. Now, it might sound like that would take forever, but if you do what I'm going to show you, it won't take very long. You can actually get monetized in as little as a month or two if you do it right. And depending on your niche, you can actually start making money right away, even before you get monetized, if you put affiliate links in the description to products that are related to your video. You can find affiliate programs at places like ClickBank, Digistore24, and even Amazon. Now don't worry, because in this video I'm going to show you how to make thumbnails and even how to edit your videos easily. And I'm going to show you how you can do it totally free. Step 6, optimizing your ad revenue. If you have done everything right, you will now be monetized. Now we need to talk about how to make the most money possible from your videos. The way to get the most money out of your videos is to make videos that are over 10 minutes long. This is because you can put more ads on videos that are over 10 minutes long. The best way to make the most money with ads is to have an ad play at the beginning of your video, at the end of your video, and also have an ad play every 2 minutes throughout your video. So if you're doing a 10-minute video, you would have an ad at the beginning, at 2 minutes, at 4 minutes, at 6 minutes, at 8 minutes, and again at the end of the video. So now you've got 6 ads on your video instead of just 1 or 2, so now you're making triple the amount of money or more. So that is the basic idea. But as a way of saying thank you for watching this video all the way to the end, now I want to give you even more secrets about how you can pull this off the right way. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to leave a like if you haven't yet. I appreciate it. Okay, secret sauce number 1, editing your videos. It is super important to edit your videos in the right way to make sure that your videos are fair use. If you do not do fair use the right way, you could get copyright strikes on your channel or even have your channel banned completely. So you really want to make sure that you get this part right. Now, if you don't even want to do a voiceover for your video at all, you can actually go to Fiverr and find someone to do it for you pretty cheap. But if you don't mind doing the voiceover yourself, it's pretty much as easy as grabbing your smartphone, hitting record, and saying something like, "Hey everybody, welcome back to another awesome video. Today we are going to show you the top 10 weirdest tech gadgets that you can buy on Amazon." Adding a unique voiceover to your video makes it transformative, and that makes it fall under fair use. Then you can just show the top 10 weirdest tech gadgets that you can get on Amazon. Now you could go on to talk more about each gadget, or not, it's up to you. And later on, you can graduate into writing scripts for your videos if you would like, but it's best to keep it simple when you're just starting. So how do you put your clips together with your voiceover? Now that is where the editing software comes in. Editing software is usually super expensive and complicated, but I'm going to show you some great editing software that's pretty easy to use and completely free. Now, if you're on a Mac, you can just use iMovie, or if you are not using a Mac, you can use a free program called OpenShot. It's totally free and it works perfectly for simple editing like this. It might sound complicated at first, but trust me, just watch a couple YouTube videos about how to use the editing software and you will be up and running in no time. So that's how you can edit your video for totally free. So how often should you post videos? Well, that's secret sauce number 2. You should post at least once every day. Especially in the beginning, it's best to post as much as you can. But posting one video every day is a good goal to aim for. Making these kinds of videos should only take you about an hour or so to make each one, so posting one video per day should not be too difficult once you get the hang of it. It helps to remember that there are channels out there bringing in over $1 million every year doing this same thing, so it's definitely worth putting the time and energy into building your channel the right way. Secret sauce number 3, making great thumbnails. Now, if you want to make money, it's important that you have really good thumbnails. But don't worry, you do not need to be a Photoshop whiz to make really good thumbnails that people will want to click on. There are lots of free ways to make good thumbnails. One place I recommend is a free online software called Canva. They've got everything you would need to make awesome thumbnails that make money. Now, if you look around, a lot of the most viewed YouTube videos include either a red arrow pointing at something or a red circle around something. So consider including these elements as well to draw people's attention and get the most views. Remember, the more views you get, the more money you make. Secret sauce number 4, go over your analytics. After you've uploaded 30 or so videos, you want to take a look at your YouTube analytics. There is tons of data in there that you can use to figure out what videos and topics are getting the most views. This lets you know what kind of content to make more of and what kind of content to not make more of. So what are some of the most important things to look at in your analytics? Well, that brings us to secret sauce number 5, watch time and audience retention. So this is huge. On a 10-minute video, you want to get about 60% audience retention. That means, on average, people watched about 60% of your video before clicking off and watching something else. Here is another really important thing to look at. Secret sauce number 6, click-through rate. This is the percentage of people who clicked on your video after they saw it show up in the search results or in suggested videos. You should shoot for getting around 6% click-through rate on your videos. Leave a comment below if you are thinking about doing this because I would love to hear from you. Watch this video if you want to see some exact niches that you can use to make $30,000 every month doing this method.